Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment around mobile, with a score hitting plus 0.70 and a momentum of plus 0.17, which is significantly above its historical baseline. This isn't just noise, it suggests a fresh wave of positive engagement that could be linked to recent developments in mobile tech or user experiences. When you use our Sentiment API, you get back precise insights including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters that reveal the nuances behind the data. Imagine integrating this into your app to analyze user feedback in real time, allowing you to pivot your strategy based on sentiment shifts. For more details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and start building insights that matter.